This is Jess here from Garnet Sass. So I've ordered another Funko Pop, and this one is, I'm really excited to get this one because this is a collaboration from a very famous anime that many people love, and a cute franchise, a cartoon franchise from, I believe, in Japan. So yeah, let's open this up. Here, ta-da! It's so cute. It's a collaboration from My Hero Academia and Hello Kitty and Friends. So from Hello Kitty, it's Batsmaru. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, Batsmaru. Then he's wearing the costume of Kachan or Katsuki Bakugo from My Hero Academia. So look at this this collaboration. I really want to collect them because all of them are so cute, but I believe it will be hard because I don't even know where I will put the Funko Pops here anymore in my place. So yeah, and you know that Funko Pops are quite expensive also. So yeah, if you like the 6 of them, I want to ask which of these 6 are your favorite. And yeah, I just want to know what's famous here. I believe Hello Kitty wearing the All Might costume is also well known. So okay, I'm going to open this. So I actually ordered this from Comic Odyssey from Shopee. It's so cute! Whoa! Okay, so here's the front. It's so cute. I cannot look. It's Bakugo's costume, like of the explosive. Oh, it's so cute. I like how the, I don't know what's this called. You know, Funko Pops tend to have, you know, their heads connected here. I like this so much. Oh no, I'm tempted to buy the other Funko Pops as well. But no, I don't know. Yeah, so that's it. It's so cute. I'm so happy. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. It's so cute. I cannot say anything. It's so cute. And look at his eyes. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoy these kinds of videos, and have a nice day. Bye bye.